Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techons. So today I will show you how to log out your Battlegrounds Mobile India from your all devices. So if you are from India, this Battlegrounds Mobile India is best alternative for PUBG because in few months back this PUBG is banned in India. So they introduced its new version called Battlegrounds Mobile India. So anyway, this is not a matter. But some users are asked to me how to unlink my Facebook account or Twitter account from this Battlegrounds Mobile India. So if you like to know this trick, just follow me friends. So if you already start this game, just exit it. So by simply press that back icon. So next in this homepage section, you can press this up arrow mark and it is placed at the bottom. And it shows the menu section. So here I try to access settings and finally I get the option called logout. So simply press this option and it asks for the confirmation, logout of the current device and log in again. So if you want to log out this current session only, just click to OK. So otherwise, if you want to log out this Battlegrounds Mobile India from all devices, just tick to enable this option, logout of all devices. So once you enable it and finally click to confirm, so don't worry about it because some users are asked to me if once I log out my Battlegrounds, if maybe my game data are deleted. So there is no possible, all your data are very safe. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Techons. And thanks for watching.